Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. This quilt behind me is actually a combination of two pre-cut kits from Maywood Studio using the Burgundy and Blush collection. Now, the pre-cut kits are not new. I introduced those to you a while back, but something new has come in the meantime. Now, Maywood Studio has always said these are easy peasy. They're so fun to make. Well, that easy peasy has become easy peasy pre-cut kits, and they've called them pods. So these are called pods, but now when you combine them, they call this Cross Pod Nation. I had a giggle at that. I thought it was a really cute and clever name. And basically what that means is, well, you can absolutely make the four square. We've done that video and we've shown you how to make this. It's half square triangles. It's a 4-patch sewn together. We've done the Irish chain. I think that was one of the very first ones that they did. Again, all the pieces are pre-cut for you, even the binding. And you can just start sewing and make it 9-patch, and you have a plain block and sew that together. Those are cute and they're a lot of fun. Or what's behind me is a combination of them both. You would get one of each kit, you would make these blocks and you would make these blocks, and we have a download available. That should be either on the Shabby Fabrics homepage. At the very bottom, click on free downloads, and you'll be looking for the Cross Pod Nation kit for Burgundy and Blush. Or if you are watching on the Shabby Fabrics on the actual product page, it'll be right beneath the video where you'll be able to click on that and download an image of this quilt. And basically you'll put your blocks, you'll sew your blocks together, and you'll just lay them out. I recommend a design board. You can lay them out any way you want. This is just the way that we did that. Just sew the rows together. You can press all your seams in one direction on maybe odd rows, and all of your seams in the opposite direction, perhaps on your even rows. It's so fun to mix and match these. So if you have not tried combining these, jump into the fun. We had an absolute blast making this. So thank you for letting me introduce the concept of Cross Pod Nation. Give it a try. I know you're going to have an absolute blast.